And as the title states, you can't sneak up on a deer with a drone. I found this out today. I was wanted to go fly over near the cemetery, but it wasn't plowed, so I couldn't. I drove down the road and I saw this gang of deer from the road, ran around, found a place to park. And this is right across the street from Gould's Apple Orchards out in Castleton on the Hudson, I guess. So I was trying to sneak up on these guys, and they saw me, and I started to take off after them, and they took off on me. And there they all go, running into the woods, and I'm sure they're all laughing at me right now. And you can see them kind of vanish into the woods, waiting for me to leave. You can see them roaming around. They look like little rats from the sky. There's a few of them down there running around, having a good time. So this was the first sighting. I must have saw about 60 deer today, within 10 minutes. It was about half hour before sunset. That seems to be the time they like to come out the best. And I didn't see these guys because I was having trouble with my iPad. The picture was jerky and it was chopping in and out. But right almost, on the right side of the screen there's probably about 7 or 8 more, which I didn't see. I just flew right past them. And they could be turkey there too. I'm not sure what those on the immediate right are, but they're deer on the far right. And up here I caught this solo guy. Saw me and he took off. I think if I flew a little bit lower, I would have got some better shots, but they get pretty skittish. They hear the drone and they take off. And here, I flew right over this, and I couldn't believe how many were actually there until I went back and looked at it again. Probably 30, 40 maybe. And I just zoomed right over them. There's obviously a lot of food on the ground there. They're all over the place. So I'm going to go back tomorrow at the same time and try to catch more.